Hello friends, and happy whatever day it is that you are watching this. If you are new here, hi, my name is Savannah and I like to make lots of Disney content. So if you like that, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Today's video is going to be a tad different as I am taking a Disney trip tomorrow. But instead of like packing with me with like clothes and my park bag, I thought it would be fun to do more food because this trip is going to be a little bit different than others. So with this trip, I'm actually doing a challenge right now for the gym that Nick works at, and it requires me to count my macros. So I have like high and low carb days, and I want to stick to that as well as I can just because there's a prize on the line and I would really like that prize. So we're working really hard to stay focused on that. As you all know, Disney has some of the best snacks and some of the best food, and I'm always guilty of getting a dessert after every single meal. So with that being said, I wanted to save myself some money so I could buy more park merch on this trip, as well as save myself some money on food. So bringing my own food from home, meal prepping it, getting it prepared, all that good stuff. So with that being said, let's get right to the video. I'm gonna kind of go through what I am packing. So first of all, just some basic necessities like spoons, forks, knives. I thought it would be easier just to get the plastic silverware so I don't have to deal with washing it when I get home. A blender bottle. This is going to be great for my protein. I do have to take protein so I can hit that goal. So I'm going to do protein and almond milk mixed together like every morning as part of my breakfast. This protein powder is the Dimetize ISO 100. So it's 100% whey protein. And this one's the Fruity Pebbles flavor. And I actually kind of like this one. It tastes like the milk after you eat the Fruity Pebbles. So that's a good one. For some snacks throughout the parks, I know it can be hard to bypass some of those food stands. Like I know there's certain snacks I like to get every time. A Dole Whip, Mickey bars, some popcorn, you know, and then for the 50th, they have all these new ones coming out. So again, that temptation's gonna be there, but we're going to stick to our guns on this one. For some snacks, I have like an avocado. So that day that I need a little extra fats, this is a good one. I'm just gonna cut it up and put it in my bag. Also, same thing with the apples. I do have to cut these ones up as well. But we'll put these like in a small container and then take them into the parks. I do have some protein bars as well. So these ones are so good if you ever find them at your grocery store. We got these ones from Publix, but you can also find them at Target, kind of where they have the protein section. These are so good. This one is the chocolate mint flavor. Very good. Also, I like a little sweets throughout my day, but again, can't have dessert. So this one is like a Zone Perfect bar. It's like chocolate chip cookie dough, and it actually tastes like chocolate chip cookie dough. So if I am needing like an extra snack, or like I already have this planned into my macros as well. I actually made a list and planned out every single day of what I would be eating and how that would add up. So these are really good if you feel like having a dessert but can't have that extra calories and carbs and all the good stuff that comes with that. And I think these are my new favorite bars. So these are the Think Keto Bars. And I'm not on keto. I don't want anyone to think I'm on keto. I really like my carbs. And it tends to work well for me that way. So I have low carb and high carb days because I'm doing carb cycling though for this challenge. So this one me and Nick were trying to figure out what it tastes like, and it's kind of the consistency of a Kit Kat. Like, it's crunchy on the inside. It tastes like a Reese's with the peanut butter. But these are really, really good. And I'm having this as part of my snack on my way home, so I don't pick up any gas station food. We already discussed the protein. Let's see. Okay, so these are the ranch tuna creations. I always make fun of Nick for taking these to parks like every other time we've gone this year. And he was like, well, I'm eating and I didn't pay anything for it. So these are like a really good snack to pack in your bag. Again, Disney does allow you to pack stuff in your bags. They don't care if, you know, you're packing your own lunch or your own snacks. So these are really, really great to pack in there if you're needing like a quick lunch. I mean, they have protein in them, they're low calorie. So they're easy to pack in your park bag. Like, they don't take up a lot of room, they don't require refrigeration. So those are really good. I also packed some cheese sticks for the way home because I needed the extra fat that day. And also some like imitation crab legs. These fit into my macros for when I am driving there tomorrow. So I'm gonna have this as a snack on the way up, and definitely some gum after that, so my breath doesn't smell. Also, it's, you know, I'm trying to get the right amount of calories in as well. You're not gonna get that just from snacking on all those. So I did meal prep on Super Bowl Sunday, all of my dinners. So tomorrow night I have like chicken thighs and green beans, and I measured it out already. And then Saturday I have to eat like this massive tub of rice. So it's gonna be fun. But I already have those meal prep containers, so all I have to do is heat them up in the microwave that's at my hotel. I did grab a package of bottled water. So this package, it came with like 6 bottles and it was $2 and something cents from Publix. I just wanted these small ones to pack in my park bag. So that when I'm getting a little like sleepy throughout the day and I'm hitting that midday slump, I like to have drop freeze coffee, but I can't do that this trip because I like flavorful coffee. I'm not like a plain coffee person. The more flavor and stuff you put in there, the more calories that is, and we're just not gonna deal with that. So I already have like a tub of caffeine like that I scoop in there, and it's like 60 milligrams. So just a really quick pick-me-up, and I only need 2 bottles for that. Really good to know if you are staying in a hotel, Airbnb, I don't know where you're staying, but I always recommend packing a jug of water. I actually did this on my last trip with my friend. So a jug of water is really helpful whether you're staying at a hotel, motel, really nice resort, or wherever you're going. If it has a fridge, I highly recommend getting a jug of water. Me and my friend actually did this on my last trip that we took in December and kept it in the fridge for the room for the night, because the worst feeling is getting back to your hotel, not having any available water to drink other than the sink, and that's nasty. So I like having this in the fridge just to like pour into my water bottle and get some cold water at the end of the day. You're walking all day, you're tired, you're hot, you're sweaty. So it's nice to have that water in the room already, so you're not having to go buy, again, another water bottle, saving you some money. I also packed some Mios here because, for one, if you don't like Florida water taste, that's fine. Use a Mio, squirt some in, it's great. I also like to add like a little flavor throughout the day, because just drinking straight water, I don't like it as much. Therefore, I don't drink as much water. So adding just like a few squirts here and there to your water can definitely make a difference in your hydration. I got a carton of almond milk, not a very big one, but it's just like regular unsweetened almond milk. So that one I actually am going to be putting in my protein like I stated before, so I can dump that in. Also packing a measuring cup so that I am able to measure things out correctly. Moving on, I don't know why this is over here, but I have a yogurt. This should be over here. That's for my breakfast. And just like a nice light breakfast there with some carbs in the morning would be good. And then last but not least, I'm a caffeine junkie and I'm trying to fix that. So this challenge is actually helping me kind of get rid of that addiction because I'm drinking more water throughout the day, waking up super early in the morning, and then getting all my stuff done throughout the day without a nap and without having like 3 of these a day is a win for me. So I get the Alani's a lot of the time. I just tried the Addison Rae one. Fire, so good. This one is the cherry slush, and this is like my next favorite. So I take a few of these. I just have them in the morning so I can get up and going. So I have those. This one is for my ride up. This is the Pina Colada 3D energy drink, and these are amazing. So again, thank you, Christian Guzman. So I'm gonna treat myself on the way up there. I like to just kind of chill out, listen to my music, have an energy drink, so I'm all prepped and ready to go for the parks. So with all of that, that is my entire meal plan that I'm bringing with me to the parks. I'm going to be putting them all in like a grocery freezer bag. I don't know if I can say that, but it's insulated so that I can put ice packs in there and keep it cold when I go to Hollywood Studios. It'll probably be there from like 6 or 7 at night until closing. Won't get back to the hotel probably until about 10. So that is what I have packed. Thank you so much for joining me this morning, watching my food haul for my trip, and make sure you stay tuned for next time, as my next video will be me at Hollywood Studios at night. Thank you again so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you later. Have a magical day.